Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Pocket to read later with automatic web page saves, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Pocket to read later with automatic web page saves, start by opening your web browser. Visit the official Pocket website at getpocket.com. If you don't have a Pocket account, click on the sign up button to create one. You can sign up using an email address or link it to an existing social media account. Once you have logged in, head to the Settings menu. On the Settings page, look for the Browser section. Enable the browser extension for Pocket. If you haven't installed it yet, follow the prompts to add the Pocket extension to your browser. After installation, pin the Pocket extension icon to your toolbar for easy access. To enable automatic saves, go back to the Settings menu in Pocket. Find the Automatic Save option and toggle it on. This will allow Pocket to save pages you visit automatically. Next, visit any web page you want to save for later reading. Once you're on the page, click the Pocket extension icon in your toolbar. Confirm the page has been saved by checking the notification that appears. You can access your saved articles anytime through the Pocket app or website. For a seamless experience across devices, download the Pocket app on your mobile device. Log in with the same account you used on the desktop. Now, you can read your saved articles offline whenever you like. Customize your reading preferences in the app settings for a personalized experience. With these steps, you can efficiently use Pocket to save articles automatically and enjoy them later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.